Yeah, namaste and welcome to all of you today's session. Today we are going to start our first class of the third batch of the English medium UGC NET JRF. So here, first you have to get to know about what is UGC, what is the need of this exam, what you will get after cracking this exam, and should you do or not, and which kinds of struggle you have to face during the preparation, and most of the students which kinds of mistakes they do. We'll discuss on that point, and later we'll discuss the syllabus also, paper 1 and the paper 2. So today class we will complete these topics. Okay, so first the question is, what is UGC? It is University Grant Commission. Okay, and NTA, both they NTA they conduct the exam, but okay, UGC also, both they have the that kind of similar, and they have the role to conducting that exam, NT and the UGC. So it is the national level exam, as like say we can say na UPSC, NEET, that are the other field. In this field, UGC NET highest exam, and the highest exam also you can see. After that, this kind of you will not get any this kind of exam in future, and its validity also national level. And what is the benefit of this exam? So last year, so not last year, few months before, UGC declared a rule. Now it is not compulsory, but I am sure within 1 or 2 years it will be compulsory. The rule is that you cannot get admission in PhD without qualifying this exam. Right now, not compulsory. In future, it will apply. Maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 year after. And you will not get job also. Right now, you can get, but presently also most of the universities in the interview they demand UGC NET, or they give priority to the NET qualified students. If your goal is like that, you want to do job in the university as an assistant professor, then definitely you should do preparation of this exam. So many students, I noticed that they have like goal to start their own yoga center. They want to run their personal classes. So please be clear. No need to clear this exam. Please don't waste your time if your goal is that. So yeah, for knowledge enhancement, it is different. Okay, but it will be useful. Many students they want to do job in the government schools. Yeah, it will be priority. They will give priority, but for government job in the schools, Kendriya Vidyalaya, no need to this exam. The diploma, master, I think that is enough. That is very low level job. Okay, if you target to academic job in the university, then only prepare this exam because it is not easy. When you will see this the syllabus, then you will get to know the complete bachelor, complete master syllabus is a half syllabus of this exam. I'm not scaring you, but it is true. Complete bachelor, complete master, it is a half syllabus of UGC. Now you can assume how vast syllabus it is. Okay, that's why you have to be clear. You should you really you want to crack this exam or not? So you have to be clear. Okay. Otherwise, because most of the students also I noticed, because here minimum 6 months you have to study very dedicated, minimum 10 to 14 hours regularly till 6 months, 10 to 14 hours. If you are not focusing like this, I'm sure you cannot get, you cannot crack this exam. You cannot crack this exam. So, can you manage this kind of schedule? Minimum 10 hours. Can you manage next 6 months? Otherwise, because we are running this academy since 2019, sorry, 2020. Okay. Many students, it is
Sir, you spend 10 hours for the self-study
no, no, no,
daily.
no. In the class, okay, 4 5 hour class and 4 5 hour self study. Okay. So many students, so it is our seventh batch. If I include all Hindi medium batch, it is third batch of English medium. But if I include Hindi medium, it is seventh batch. So few students, they are studying continue since 2020, but they are not qualifying this exam. Many students, but many students like this also first attempts they qualify JRF directly, not net, directly JRF. I am also one of them. I also qualified JRF during my master, my first attempt in second semester. Before completing the master, I qualified. I was the lucky. And the other students, yesterday also I told the Lakshmi, she qualified during the master, Madhu, Nigam, Aditi, Chandrajyoti, Ravi, all are yesterday, which I presented, all are my students from this platform. They qualified the exams and now they are teaching you. So if I say that no, it is possible, but possible for that person who is dedicated. Okay, if you cannot manage your schedule, then my personal advice to you, don't do preparation. Don't be associate with this. I will refund your all the deposit amount. If you are not sincere, please don't be continue. We need less persons, but we need that those persons who are dedicated, really surrender to do study. And we your focus should be JRF, not net. Now, okay, few students they don't know what is the difference in between net and the JRF. So net is the national eligibility test, and JRF is the junior research fellowship. Okay? Both are the same exam, but you understand like this that first division is the net and merit is the JRF. Like this, you can understand the exam is same. If score is first division, that we say it is the net. You are net qualified. If your score is in merit list, then you are net with JRF. Net also and JRF also. If your score is more in the same exam. Okay. What is the benefit right now? So who is the net qualified? They get chance to PhD direct interview. They have no need to give the entrance exam. No need to give entrance exam. If you are not net qualified, first you have to crack the entrance exam, and after clearing that, then you have to face the interview for the PhD, and then university will hire you. They will recruit you for the PhD. But if you are net qualified, university will not take your entrance exam. Directly, you will face interview anywhere in India. One or two selected university that their roles are different, but 95% no need to give entrance exam. Yeah, aims that he take, aims rules are different. Nimhan's rules are different. Yeah, few institutes they have the different rules. Yeah, they allow net their admission in the aims, IIT, Nimhans, these kinds of IIM, NIT. Now yoga is everywhere. You're not aware about it. Many aims, many IIT. My students are there studying there. Your senior, the USA ma'am, 2 months before she got admission, IIT Hyderabad. Okay? Your senior, previous best student, she got admission. Okay, because she qualified net. Because that kind of higher institute, their minimum demand is net. Without net, they will not allow you to enter that kind of institute. So it is the importance of net. Now, question number 2, what is the importance of JRF? Okay. So if you are JRF qualified, it means you are net already, okay? It is already net plus JRF you are, okay, if you are JRF. So here you will get the UGC is offering you fellowship. It is Junior Research Fellowship, JRF meaning Junior Research Fellowship. So you will get grant from the government side. I'm also getting 37,000 plus HRA, approximately 42,000 I was getting in JRF per month. I'm not doing job, but I'm getting 42,000 every month. First 2 years you will get JRF. Now I'm getting SRF. 2 years I got JRF, approx 42,000 per month. I'm doing PhD, but I'm getting salary. After 2 years, if your work is countable in PhD, progress is there, then you will be promoted to the SRF. I already promoted for SRF, Senior Research Fellowship. So here 42 plus 9, I'm getting approximately 51,000 per month. And next first 2 years JRF, next 3 years SRF. So total 5 years PhD scholar who is JRF qualified, he gets this fellowship. So approximately in 5 years, you will get 25 to 27 lakh rupee just qualifying this exam. Just qualifying. Now you can give task to you. And JRF are the top rankers of India. Approximately 15,000 approximately students attempt UGC exam every time. Out of 15,000, okay? In yoga, I'm telling only yoga. Overall, more than 2 lakh. Only yoga, 15,000. So out of 15,000, approx 250 students, they able to qualify net exam in different category. General have different category, OBC, all, if I include all, then approximately 250 students, they eligible to crack the net exam. So out of 15,000, 250 qualify. They are the 250 ranking who qualified the net. And out of 250, approx 750 or 70, they crack, their score is JRF level. Now, if you qualified JRF, it means you are top 15 all India. It means that, and that higher level because who qualified JRF, it means he is the bright student. That's why that UGC give the fellowship, because most chances. I also in my batch total 15 students we are in my PhD batch. 2 3 students they left the PhD because of the financially problem, because it is not easy to survive in the PhD without the money, because your age will be more than 24, 25, 6, 30 approx generally in the PhD, and it is the really without money you cannot survive in this age. You want to help to your family, your own study, your research work, so it demands the money. So without fellowship, yeah, not possible. No, I'm not can not possible. Really so difficult to survive PhD. Many students I noticed na they left PhD in between. Okay. Few universities like IIT, all IITs, NIT I don't know. You have to search MIT, NIT, triple IT. I think all are same criteria. It's like IIT. IIT I know very well. Few professors might know. They told me that in the IIT, if you get admission in the IIT, so their minimum criteria that candidates should be net qualified. You will get fellowship in the net base also in the IIT. Then IIT will give you fellowship. Same equal to the JRF. So it is the benefit to get admission in the IIT, but you have to qualify net. And yesterday also I got one information that Amity University Noida, she also, I'm not sure about only Noida or all over the Amity University. So that university also started to give fellowship to the PhD scholars. Manipur University also giving in Karnataka. Yeah, many universities also they give the fellowship to the students who are pursuing PhD, but not all as equal to JRF. For that, you have to be eligible. You have to be crack this exam. So these are the benefits of cracking this exam. Hope your doubt has cleared. Please let me know. Yeah, please confirm me if you have any kind of doubt. You can ask now. Then we will discuss the syllabus of UGC exam. Yes, Jam.
Sir, I think JRF has some age criteria also, no?
Yes, yes. Sorry, I did not discuss. Yeah, JRF has age criteria. I think in general, for males, it is 31. And for females, it is plus 5, 36, I think. Please check it. Yeah, 35, 36 it is. And OBC and SC also 36, I think. No, I think 35. You have to please check. I'm not 100% sure. I think 35 or 30. For females, it is, I think, 36. General, it is 35. Please, you have to please check. I'm not 100% sure about it. Okay. That is. I think one
Sir,
quota that have the 1 or 2 years extra extension. That few that quota you have to be checked if you are under that quota. Yes.
sir, JRF qualifiers will get stipend for 3 years or 2 years in PhD while pursuing PhD.
I told you now. 2 year JRF, 3 year SRF, total are the 5 years. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If you complete it before 5 years, then fellowship will stop. Okay. But if you are PhD is extending more than 5 years, then fellowship will stop in 5 years. In few conditions, it may increase, but most possibility after 5 years it will stop.
Sir, how one will get SRF? I mean, while pursuing PhD, how one will get SRF?
You do your PhD work. You do your PhD work. Okay. university will promoted you after 2 years. You have to be give request to the university that 2 years my JRF has completed. Then you again at like interview kind the university will organize. One external will be come outside and he will ask you questions regarding PhD and your PhD work, how much you have done and what's your next planning. Then if that external and your guide and the dean of academy of your university, if they are satisfied with your work, then they will promote you SR. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir. Thanks.
Most of the students they promoted. 80-90 students, 80-90% they promoted to SR. A few who are too lazy, too deactive, they do not get SR. Okay.
Namaste, sir.
Oh, yes, namaste Sandeep ji.
Uh, for IIT Hyderabad also having PhD in yoga like that? No, right?
Not directly yoga. I will
Okay.
say Rusa ma'am number to you. Okay.
Okay.
Just now she got admission there. So in the
Okay.
IIT there is not direct department. Please note it down. Not
Okay.
direct yoga department. In IIT you will get the admission in the humanity department, social science department, Indian
Okay.
knowledge system department. Okay, maybe in
Okay.
future the yoga department will be there, but right now not and no any IIT have yoga department. Indirectly
Okay.
you will get admission.
Okay. But with the help of net.
Without net you cannot enter
Yeah.
in IIT.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. I think doubts have clear. Let us move to the syllabus. Okay.